Hi, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to give you some tips when not to cancel your subscription. Waiterio is a user-friendly application to make it easier for waitstaff to take orders. Upon signing up, you can avail right away free 100 orders transactions in a month. But if a customer decides to have more orders in their restaurant, Waiterio has a variety of subscription plan options. For Waiterio subscription plans, you may click the link on the description below. Once you're subscribed to Waiterio, your subscription date will start right away. You will have 30 days before the next billing date. For example, if your subscription date starts on the 7th of September, your next billing date would always fall on the 7th in the following months. In a situation you decide to end your subscription for any reason, we advise you to cancel your subscription at least one day before your next billing cycle. If you cancel your subscription earlier than the next billing cycle, your remaining orders will be forfeited, and your plan will return to the basic free subscription of 100 orders. Always remember to take note of your subscription start time so that you will know when not to cancel and prevent your remaining orders not to be forfeited. I hope this video will give you some precautions on when not to cancel your subscription. Thank you very much and have a great day.